My name's Daniel, and this is my V8 go-kart. Welcome back, everybody. I appreciate all you guys. We're over 2,000 subscribers now. It's just amazing. I'm so glad everything's growing. I'm busting my butt every single night, so it's great to see things paying off, and it's all thanks to you guys. So I really appreciate it. On to this thing. We need to start working on this adapter some more. We got really close last night. We need to make some notches here for these bolts, and then I'm gonna chamfer the edges so we can get a good strong weld. And that's the plan. Let's just jump right in. I'm super excited to get cranking on this thing. So I need to make notches in here. I've marked them out for the 6 bolt holes. We're gonna use the die grinder to make those notches, and then we're gonna chamfer the edge of this. That way we have a really good weld and good penetration. So let's start grinding this thing. Plug your ears and we'll get the die grinder out and just have at it. I think we're in business. These washers are giving me a little bit of trouble, so I might turn them down or something, but I think this is gonna work. All right, so I think the points are good and the low areas are good. I just need to deepen the corners so the washers fit a little bit better. And I think we're in business. I had to make some adjustments to get it to sit flusher. So I'm just kind of going and tweaking it now just to get it sit correctly. That way I'm not fighting that while I'm welding it. So I'm just trying to get it to fit really good. All right, I think that's in the ballpark there. I'm gonna push this in and maybe hold it up a little. I'll throw a tack on each side. And then we'll try and check the run out with the magnetic dial base indicator. So of course, I can't find my dial indicator anywhere. So that's lovely. I guess we're eyeballing it. So I've never let anything stop me before. Let me show you how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna need your guys' help. You're gonna have to watch the camera here. But I have this piece of solid core wire attached to the frame. And this is like, we'll have to get it just the right angle. But there's just a little gap in there. So we're gonna watch that gap and hopefully it doesn't move a lot. All right, so that's pretty darn close. I think I'm gonna throw 2 tacks on it because it might move a little when we tack it. And then I think we'll be able to hammer it around just a little bit if we need to tweak it. Okay, so I marked the shaft. I put red marks a quarter way, and then the black mark is opposite the keyway. That way we have an idea of where this is gonna be. Actually, I'm gonna put, just to make it super clear, this one's gonna also have black. That way we can see which one is running out, and we can give it a smack in the right direction, if necessary. I think I got it as close as I can get it. It seems like it's high right here. So I'm gonna throw a really hot tack right there, and hopefully that'll be enough to just pull it right where it needs to be. And we'll just burn the thing in, I guess. So hopefully that'll work out. I burned it in. I turned it up to 10, as high as we can go. and I think it welded pretty good. So let's hope it's straight. So I think that's good enough for this rendition of everything. It's close enough. This clutch isn't going to put much power down, so I'm not super worried about it. When we do a real clutch, we're going to have something machined, precision, and just do it a lot better. But for now, this will work just fine for a go-kart clutch. So it's not completely finished, but we're like 90% of the way there. There's a little more touch-up work tomorrow to do, but we got that kind of taken care of. There's a clutch on here. It's going to look awesome for the thumbnail. That's all the time I have for tonight. I spent a lot of time trying to get this straight. So I appreciate you guys, everybody that's liking, commenting, subscribing. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites you to the Freedom Factory. So I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video.